how to turn off location sharing on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off location sharing on Snapchat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as Snap Map. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you are on the map screen, simply tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the location settings section, here to completely hide your location, you simply have to toggle on the ghost mode option. And here you can choose it to hide for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it off manually. So here, once you do that, you have successfully turned off your location sharing on Snapchat. But here, if you change your mind, then you can simply change your sharing option to only these friends and select none of your friends here and save it. And after that, your location sharing option will be turned off on Snapchat. And that's it. That's how you can turn off location sharing on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.